welcome back to my channel. If you already know me, then thank you so much for coming back to my channel and hanging out with me. But if you're new here, then hi, I'm Tanisha and I make videos about makeup, skincare, product reviews, DIYs and many more. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel to support me. Today's video is going to be first impression try on review of a new makeup removing balm from the brand Nut Habit. It is their fresh makeup melt geranium kiss variant. Before talking about the product, I would like to talk about the brand a little bit because it's a totally new brand for me. Nut Habit is a made in India skincare brand. All their products are freshly made in small batches and they're preservatives free and any chemical free. They are rich with gram flour, yogurt, raw milk, neem and many more. Now let's get back to the product. It comes in small tin jar like this where the name and the variant is printed on the top and the price and the manufacturing date is printed here, though they have not mentioned the ingredients list anywhere in the packaging, but I have checked their website and it is said that they have made with 5 cold pressed oils, fresh geranium flower press, lemon extract and orange extract too. It is free from alcohol, glycerin, preservatives and mineral oils. Now let's see how it actually works. First I'm going to tie my hair because I want all my hairs out of my face. Next I'm going to remove my false lashes. Okay, I've removed my lashes. Now I'm going to scoop out. I don't know how much I need. I'm going to take a little bit. If I need more, I will take more. But first I'm going to take a little bit. They have said you have to massage it for 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to do that. Oh, it smells good. Massage it for 1 to 2 minutes and they have said to wipe it with tissue or a cotton pad. Though I'm going to wash it with face wash. And then I can tell what I feel about it. I think it's melting. You can see live how it's melting my makeup. I think it's melting well, but I don't know what it will do with my eyeshadow. Oh god, I look crazy. I'm gonna take a little bit more for my eyes. I've applied waterproof mascara. If it can remove that, it will be great. I have lash glue too. Oh god. They have said that don't put it inside your eyes, otherwise it can burn. And if it goes into your eyes, wash it off with water. So I'm doing it after closing my eyes. I think they have melted away. Nice. Wow, it's nice, man. It smells good. I'm gonna try. I have taken a tissue just to see. Wow. Wow. I'll zoom it a little. Oh god, my hands are dirty. I'll zoom a little bit. Can you see? My eyeliner is gone. Everything is gone. Oh, I like it, man. It is for 129 rupees, though you get a little less quantity. But it's really nice. Okay, I think 1 to 2 minutes is done. just zoom out. Okay. I will wash my face with face wash now, and then I will be back and I will share my final thought about it. This is how my face looks after I washed my face with a face wash. This makeup removing balm actually surprised me a lot. Like, this is only for 129 rupees and it works like magic. It actually melted away all of my makeup, the waterproof mascara, even the lash glue. And it smells so good as well. So I highly recommend this product, guys. If you're looking for a budget makeup removing balm, or you were thinking of starting, double cleansing method, do give this a try. You will love this. Though it has a like 1 month shelf life, you gotta finish it between 30 days. That is a little downside because I don't think I will be able to finish it in 30 days. But anyways, it is a very good product. I highly recommend this product. I'm gonna apply toner and moisturizer off camera, and that's all the information I wanted to share about this product, guys. And I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification on time. I will tend to come back super soon. Until then, please take care and stay happy. Bye bye.